G'day YouTube. This video will show you guys how to create symbolic links and set them up correctly. So there's two ways to do them, through the graphical user interface or through the terminal. Now I'll show you both. Now for those who don't know what a symbolic link is, it's essentially pointing a folder from one location and putting it to the other. Now the best example of this is if we go to our home directory. So let's start with going to, move across here. Now here is my home directory, and just say I've got my cloud drive, everything syncs onto my cloud drive, and I'll see if I can open that up, and there we go. And just say I do project stuff every day, and I want to always sync it in this cloud drive here that goes online, but I also want to be able to access it just from here, and I don't want to have to go through all this long directory list to get there. So two ways to do it. I'll show you the very, very modern, easy way to do it is just to right click, create and make link, and then just drag it over here. So just say anything that you put in here, it'll actually sync into the cloud drive in here as well. Now part two, getting a little bit more technical, using the terminal. So what we want to do is open up the terminal and do the exact same thing, but obviously just via the terminal. So let's start off by going ln for link dash s for symbolic, and let's just go to the address that we can see up here. So home JM cloud drive. Okay, so that's where we're pulling the actual folder from, and it's called projects, as we know. I might just make this a little bit longer to make it more understandable, and where we want to put it. So let's start off with let's speed things up and let's go to desktop. So all of this here means my home directory and desktop, which means here. So let's hit enter and see what happens. Should be the exact same thing pretty much, except for a name change. There we go. So these are the two same things. We've got them, access to them on our desktop. You can see the little shortcut, but anything that you put in there will be synced to your cloud drive here, or whatever drive it is. It may not necessarily be in cloud drive, but that's one reason why symbolic links can be quite good. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. That is how you create symbolic links through the GUI and through the terminal in Linux Mint 17.3. Cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed.